Hey, welcome back to Adam's Makerspace. Last year I made a bunch of these family shirts, one for me and my wife that were these colors. I made some for my mom and her husband, and then my sister and her daughter. So we all had matching family shirts, but they were different colors depending on the family group. But this year we added 2 new additions to our family, who are now going to be in a children's extra small and children's small sizes. So I have to make some more for them. So let's get started on that. This is also going to be the first time I get to use my new xTool mini press that they sent me. So we'll see how this works, and I'll leave a review of that too. Luckily I still have some of that Funkaka brand Easy Weed heat transfer vinyl that I used on the previous shirts, so they can be an exact match. Okay, I fired up Silhouette Studio, got my design back on here, and now I'm going to go ahead and get my vinyl ready and send it to the cut. Okay, my vinyl is all loaded up into my Silhouette Cameo 3, I believe is the model I have. And I am using an aftermarket cutting mat. It's Re-Art brand, but it works very well. I accidentally cut through my one that came with my machine, but this one has not let me down. And now it's cutting away. It's very loud, and I will be back when it's done. Okay, the cutting is all done. Now it's time to weed. Okay, now that they're both cut out, I'm going to go ahead and weed them. And you can use any weeding tool you would like. I just use this cheap one that I found, but it doesn't really matter. It does the trick. And I remember last year I was able to get all the outside off in one go, but apparently that's not happening this year. But it's still very easy to weed. As you can see, most of it's just peeling right up without tearing. So I will finish weeding this, and then I'll get back with you. Now the weeding is all done. I'm ready to go apply these to these shirts using my new xTool heat press mini that they had sent me. So let's go try that out. Okay, ready to start doing this. I have to preheat my press to the 2nd level. So when this light here changes to green, it should be good to go. So I'll be back when it's ready. Okay, the preheating is done. So now I will just remove this, which feels a lot like an iron, but let's see how it works. Unfortunately, it won't cover my whole thing, so it's going to take several tries at this. Just put it on, put a little pressure, hold it for 10 to 15 seconds, and this vinyl works really well, so this should not be that hard to do. Unfortunately, with the mini press, it's going to take several spots. So I'll get these done for both of them, and then we will see how it works. There we are, they are done. They are a perfect match to my existing ones, and the xTool heat press was extremely easy to use. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will add affiliate links in this video description for all of the materials that I used. And until next time, you have a great day.